101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Alright, guys, so yeah, we are here as usual every Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. We have a very interesting program, absolutely, with Smart FM Makassar, namely Smart of Your Life, English discussion with English communities. Alright, guys, and smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, of course. I'm here, I'm Noph Mufli. I'm as a host, and I'm not alone because we already have friends from a various kind of English communities in Makassar. All right, guys. So we have them as our special guests for this evening. And before we are going to discuss and talk about our topic for this evening, maybe we can we better to keep in touch and we get to know each other one by one. Maybe we can start from my right side, please. Yeah, introduce your name, where you come from, what is your English communities, and explain to all of us.
Okay, thank you. So my name is Aliana Damtia.
Hi, Alia.
I'm from SAEED.
Mhm.
I'm part of it. SAEED stands for Students Association of English Education Department.
Oh, English education. English
From
education.
UIN Alauddin Makassar.
Oh, in okay. Alauddin State of
Yes.
University.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have several programs. One of
Mhm.
it is teaching volunteer.
Wow, that's good.
Yes. And yeah,
Yeah,
you can check
volunteer.
out from our Instagram
Mhm.
for other program
Mhm.
at HMG underscore PBIUI now.
Okay, thank you, Alia. And we move to the next side. Yeah.
Okay, good night, everyone.
Night.
My name is Christophorus.
Mhm.
You can call me
Christo.
Christo. I'm from PMEC. It stands for Poltek Makassar English Club. So in PMEC, we have some kind of program that called weekly meeting. In this weekly meeting, we and our member is do much fun and learn together
Wow.
with a variety topic
Mm.
that change every week.
Yeah, so like different topic every meeting.
Yeah, like
Mhm.
that.
Every Sunday or maybe.
It's already changed.
Uh-huh.
Yesterday it's literally from at Saturday, but now it's on Friday. Every Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Crystal.
You're welcome.
And we move to sir. Can you introduce your name, please, and explain where you come from?
Yeah. Okay.
Your English
Good evening,
communities.
everybody. Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for the chance
Yeah.
that's been given to me to introduce myself.
Yeah.
My name is Abdul Majid.
Mhm.
I'm a member of Port Rotterdam
Mm.
Club. This is my job is a guide too.
As a tour guide,
Yeah, tour guide.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but this is a freelance.
freelance. Yes.
Yeah, and this one. And this is I've been joining English meeting more than 40 years.
Wow. So
Yeah, you
it's
weren't born in
so-
the time.
Yeah, we are still.
I have a lot of experience about it to be a guide, and I can enjoy sorrowful and joyful.
Wow, suka
about it
duka.
too. Yeah,
So you
About to
may
be-
to tell us your experience when
Yeah.
we are young.
yeah. When I'm young there, this is I always go to Toraja there
Yeah.
to see space up there is Punya ceremony on month of September or July.
Mhm.
Sometimes there is Punya ceremony there.
Yeah, yes. Like
We-
ceremony in Toraja.
Yeah, Toraja space Punya ceremony, and then I accompany foreigner.
Mhm.
Ambassador from Australia at
Wow.
the time, ambassador from Africa.
Mhm.
From Africa, there's connection with the King of Goa. at the
Okay,
time.
so keep your statement first, sir, because we like to question next in the moment. Okay, we move to the left side, please. Yeah, introduce your name and where you come from, like your English communities, and what is the programs. Okay.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Hi, my name is Gabriela Virginia Malino,
Oh.
but just go with Ijin.
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 Okay.
Okay.
No, I was born in Makassar, sir. And I'm honored to say that I'm from Meta,
Meta.
Macha English Talk Assembly.
Wow.
No.
You remember in the time?
Oh yeah. And we are a new community in this town,
Uh-huh.
and our community meetings hold on Saturday at 10 at 10 a.m. until
Finish.
2 p.m.
Until 2 p.m. Okay.
Saturday, not Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah,
Saturday.
because we are a new community, so we are still moving around Printis,
Mm-hmm.
and our target is student. So we learn about some grammar, about vocabulary,
Mhm.
and the end of the meeting we have some debate.
Okay. So,
Beginning of the topic. Yeah.
Yeah.
can you mention your maybe
Okay.
the Instagram of your English communities?
Okay. It feels free if you want to join
Mhm.
us, and you
Wow.
can reach us on Instagram
Mhm.
under Meta Community.
Okay, follow under Meta Community. Okay, okay. So yeah, thank you guys, and yeah, we already have them as our special guest for this evening. And anyway, okay, welcome in our program in Smart FM Makassar, and make applause first for us. Okay, guys. So smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, because our guests already know about the topic. Yeah. So what about the topic for this evening? Time management. Okay. All right. So we all know like our God has given us like 24 hours in our daily life, 24 hours in one day. Okay, and like that's it. 24 hours is like our how to say, like our opportunity to live our day, and also our opportunity to get a better life, to become a successful person and something like. Okay, and but yeah, we can also see in our reality that there is somebody can be successful, somebody can be not successful or loser or something like that. And yeah, and also like there's somebody can be just an ordinary person like somebody else, but in apparently whether a person is like successful or not, it can be seen from how they can manage and how can they utilize, or yeah, how they can exploit their time that has given to them like 24 hours. Okay, so my first question is, what is your reaction, or what makes you interest to discuss about time management, like our topic for this evening? Maybe we can start from Ijin. Okay, so what makes you interest to discuss about the topic for this evening, time management?
Okay, what makes me interest because time management make me a productive person.
Yeah, yeah. So that's the first reason, yeah,
Yeah.
how we can interest to manage our time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And next.
And the way I see it is time management is a process to organize,
Mm-hmm.
or you can say that you organize your time between activities to become
Mhm.
a productive person.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So because the way I see it is not 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 all of people can become a productive person because they don't know how to manage their time, how to manage this, because they don't know how to manage their time
Mm-hmm.
to become a
Productive person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like we have to become more effective
Yeah,
to
become a more
yeah,
effective person.
yeah, to organize our time,
Organize the-
right?
yeah.
Okay. We move to Sir Majid.
Yeah.
Yeah. What makes you interest to come here and discuss about time management?
Yeah. Of course, I'm so interested about the topic, yeah,
Mhm.
because if I always come here every Tuesday, yeah,
Yeah.
of course I can get a lot of benefits.
Yeah.
Of course, we can meet each other. The
Mhm.
second one, we can improve our English.
Yeah, we can share
Yeah,
our
this is,
experience,
real experience
right?
about it. This is what
Uh-huh.
good. The topic tonight is very interesting for me, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
time management, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is without minutes, the time is time we call,
Yeah.
how to say, it's useless.
Yes.
Yeah, like this one, yeah? If minutes, hour, the time is good,
Mhm.
we can conduct every day. What
Mm,
time I
yeah.
get up, what time I take prayer, morning prayer,
Yeah.
and then what time we have breakfast, and then activity for the take lecture or for
Oh.
teaching.
So you
Yeah.
can teach. How many students do you?
Yeah, this is mostly my students are armed forces. Do you know armed forces? Angkatan bersenjata.
Oh.
From Navy, Air Force, Navy, Air Force, Army, and no police separated. Only three.
So you
Before there are
teach
three
like
unit.
per hours or?
Yeah, for hours. Yeah,
Oh.
because we special language defense center in Kodam.
Mhm.
A school there. We have special like this one there.
So you have a
Special
class.
officer. Yeah, hanya perwira saja. 200 officer have been teaching there, including Duda Abdurrahman is ex my student before. For how to say, for star, 4 bintang.
4-star.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
wow,
this is my
that's
student.
amazing.
A chief of the commander, a lot of banyak panglima juga, like in Irian Jaya, Marga Topi, 3 star, 3 bintang.
So it's still like when you teach the class, it's like 1 hour or?
No, this is special for every day. I get 8 hours for
8
teaching.
hour.
Yeah.
8 hour per day.
Yeah, 8 hour I get it for day.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, twice for breaking.
Yeah.
Breaking coffee morning, 10 o'clock.
Coffee
And,
morning, yeah.
Yeah, we call coffee morning. And once 1:15 is special, yeah, noon prayer, yeah,
Mhm.
and then lunch.
Wow.
Yeah, 8 hours I get it. But good day here because in the time 25,000, yeah, for an hour.
Yeah, an hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this is from Defense Learning Center, Pusat Bahasa in Pondok Labu, South Jakarta, Jalan Palmuati, because I was graduated from there too.
Wow, amazing. So
Yeah,
you have
this-
experience there.
Yeah, and this is my instructor at the time, Mr. Colonel Humberson from Australia.
Wow.
All of my instructor are foreigner,
Okay.
but mostly are forces, angkatan bersenjata semua.
Okay, so keep your
Colonial.
statement first, sir.
Yeah.
And we move to Cristo. And yeah, just the same question. What makes you interest to come here and discuss together about time management?
Okay, thank you before for the opportunity.
Yeah, okay.
I think for me especially time management is one of the thing that important for us to grow ourselves to be a better person and to make our life more better. Beside managing our time is to reach something that we would dream for, we would want to reach.
Yeah. What about
it's-
our goals? Yeah.
about goals
Yeah.
and something like that. Time management also talking about how you make your life, make your body, make yourself more healthy, and how you manage to control on making yourself healthy on the next day.
Yeah, because we manage our time, and yeah, it makes our life more better, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so maybe we can move to Alia. And what about your opinion about this topic for this evening?
So I think this topic is very interesting.
Wow, yeah.
because it's pretty common, right?
Mhm.
And also, I think that time management is basically how we manage our time to become productive, but at the same time, we do not forget to take a rest.
Yeah, that's very important. It's very important.
To keep our health and our mental health.
Yeah, like time management is not only we work.
Yeah.
Always. We always
Not
work.
only about be a productive productive person, but we should take a rest too.
Yeah,
a
that's
little.
very important too. Okay. Okay, so yeah, like time management, it's not only about we have to be productive every day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because sometimes we met people who be productive, but do not, but they forget to take a rest.
Yeah.
And people usually call it toxic productivity. Yeah,
Toxic,
and-
like they can be exhausted.
Yes,
Yeah.
it can
Capek.
be exhausted and overwhelmed.
Yeah, overwhelmed. Okay. Thank you, Alia. And
The famous
oh.
people say, yeah,
what people say?
time is money.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Time
right.
is money. Because yeah, like it's pepatah, like
Yeah, proverb.
no. Proverb. Okay. So talking about productivity, yeah, we can see like it's not productivity is not only about we can do all the things, we can do a lot of things, but nowadays productivity is talking about we do the right things as well as possible, as well as we can. So yeah, as I said before, we already given time like 24 hours in a day. Okay. Like my question is it enough for you guys, like 24 hours in one day? Maybe Alia can answer my question.
I think it depends because sometimes 24 hour is feel like so fast,
Mhm.
especially
Yeah.
when we have like a lot of things to do, a
Uh-uh.
lot of assignment.
Someone have said like, wow, I think the time is less.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't
And
have. Yeah, time flies so fast.
especially when we have like assignment and the deadline is just 1 or 2 days.
Mhm,
It
yeah.
feels like so fast.
So-
Yeah.
But when we are in a lazy condition,
yeah, when we're in a lazy condition, it's like so
Wow.
long.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, maybe Sir Majid want to answer my question. Like,
Yeah.
my question is it enough? Like 24 hours for you?
24 hours for me divided 4 times.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
How can
This,
you divide in one day?
Yeah, one day there 4 hours for sleeping,
Yeah.
4 hours for resting,
Yeah.
4 hours for cheating, and the other 4 hours I don't know.
So you
Yeah.
divide it for hours, for hours, for hours,
Yeah,
Eh, and the time more of like
yeah.
how for
Do you
three.
know for the young there is a now for the juvenile, yeah, juvenile, yeah, girl juvenile,
Mhm.
yeah, this male or female juvenile,
Yeah.
yeah, this is the I have to say share of the 4 time.
Mhm.
The first going steady,
Yeah.
need it one.
Of course.
The third,
The first one.
yeah, the first one,
The second one.
the second one cheating,
Yeah.
another
That's
place.
very important.
Yeah, important cheating together. Sometimes the hidden place, is the
Mm.
problem.
Yeah.
The certain night, sometimes forget for eating.
Yeah.
Jolly so upset to
Mm-mm.
cheating with our beloved girlfriend.
Wow.
So beautiful and so
Wow.
delicious, so nice, even though we don't eat it. Yeah, the problem. It's good like the cheating one.
Mm.
If a couple, they juvenile
Mhm.
together, the young together, yeah,
Yeah.
male and female, you're together cheating. Wow, because I have experienced it like that 50 years ago.
So that's your experience
Yeah,
when
that's
you were
right.
young.
Yeah, that's like 50 years ago.
Okay, so keep
Yeah.
your statement, sir, and we move to Krista, maybe. Yeah. I think like you can answer my question. Like, is it enough for you 24 hours in a day?
Okay, for me, 24 hours, it depends on what we would use it for.
Yeah. Like Sir
Because-
Majid said, like
Yeah.
we have to divide it
Uh,
our time.
we have
Okay.
to know how to
Mhm.
divide it our time for ourself important, for
Yeah.
ourself our busy, how to control our time to take care all of the things that we
Yeah.
need to take care
Uh-uh.
at that day.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you feel overwhelmed or exhausted,
Mhm.
it just when like it's so fast.
Yeah.
But
The time flies.
yeah.
Yeah.
But what you only do is take a rest at the day.
Yeah. Like Alia said,
Yeah.
take a rest is very important too.
Yeah.
Besides,
Sometimes,
we
yeah.
like productive.
Beside that,
Yeah.
we should.
Mhm.
The rest, yeah,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
take rest in the afternoon,
Uh,
And also
night.
at night.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
That's right.
Krista.
beside of being productive,
Mhm.
it's also important to know how to listen to your body.
Oh, like what? Can you explain to
I
smart
mean,
viewers?
Listen to your body. I mean, it's when your body say you have to take a rest, or
Mhm.
it's done. We can go further. We need
Oh.
to take a break.
Oh, like
at here.
like when we exhausted, we
Yeah.
overwhelmed, like
Yeah.
that. Okay, so we have to understand also our body
Yeah.
when they cannot do anymore.
We can force our body if
Yeah.
you want to be productive for every day.
We cannot force, yeah?
Yeah.
We cannot force our body to do a lot of things
Yeah.
that we can.
Our body is not machine.
That's
Yeah.
right.
We are not a robot, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we just a human being, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
right.
thank you, Krista. And yeah, we move to Ijin. Okay. Yeah, is it enough for you? 24 hours.
Okay, like Alia said before, it depends on the situation
Yeah.
or depends on your activities.
Yeah.
If you have a lot of activities, like
Yeah.
maybe you have a job or you have you are a student,
Mm-hmm.
maybe 24 hours is not
enough,
Mm-mm.
enough. But if you are not, maybe like me, I'm a job seeker.
Wow.
I'm
Me too.
I'm
But
still
job seeker now, yeah. Of course, it means you are jobless.
job
Yeah.
Seeker.
yeah.
Job
Yeah.
seeker, jobless.
Jobless, yeah. But not hopeless.
No.
So because I'm a job seeker right now,
Uh-huh.
so I'm still waiting for announcement for my job.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe
It feels like interesting to
Yeah.
waiting
Just
the
wait
announce.
for-
just
The announcement.
24 hours. It's more than enough. but it's enough to make to improve our skill, like
Mhm.
English, like this guy can
Yeah.
improve our skills.
Yeah, maybe you can
Something like that.
take your time here every Tuesday, toh? Yeah, right?
But have you applied for the job?
Yeah.
Yeah, many department. No, not just only one. You must apply many apartment.
Mhm.
Department.
Department, not apartment, sir.
Yeah. Department or officer. Yeah. It's price so many like this one.
Mhm.
Yeah, if only one, oh,
Wow,
10 at least.
10 job.
Yeah, 10 job you apply that.
Oh.
One of them can be success.
Oh yeah.
Like in the time me more than 20.
Take the opportunities.
To pursue, two company call me.
Wow.
Of course, not your department is one.
Mhm.
Army department. You
Wow.
put it your application there.
Mhm. Like there's our opportunity to take the job.
Yeah, the job. If more than 10, just wait it with one. Someone call us.
Wow.
Or department won't call us.
Mhm.
Among of the 10, of course, there is one to call us.
Yeah.
Pasti ada satu.
That's true. That's true.
Like me that time, yeah. Department of the apa namanya? Harbor, Department of Army,
Mhm.
Navy, Forces.
Yeah.
More
Okay.
than 10. One again, the employment get me
Mhm.
from Army.
Yeah. Okay, sir. And yeah, talking about like before, like we already discussed, sometimes we get exhausted and overwhelmed about how we manage our time. So I want to tell you like how do you can organize, or what is your planning? Do you have some plan when you want to get your daily activities or not? No, maybe you can, maybe you how to say, you write down your activities for tomorrow, right? Okay, so maybe you can tell us, do you have another plan or something like that? Okay, maybe Ijin,
Okay.
tell us about your opinion.
Okay. From when I was in college and until now,
Mm-hmm.
I always make a to-do list each day.
Wow,
Like,
yeah.
To-do list like what I have to do,
Mhm.
and it start from prioritize or urgency my activities.
Yeah. Me too. Like I have to divide it in something important and something
Yeah.
urgent, right?
Urgent, yeah.
But
Mendesak.
this is the hard things
Yeah.
ever to manage our time, because some people doesn't know their urgency or their prioritize
Uh-uh.
something like
So
activities.
that's the hard one to
Yeah.
divide it. Where is my activity that is come into the urgent one, and where is the important one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I feel like I have to divide it into urgent. Where my activity is the urgent one.
Yeah.
The way you
Important one, yeah.
Yeah.
the way
We
you
must
know
priority.
Yeah.
yeah, the way you know what urgency or
Mhm.
priorities
Yeah, yeah,
your
yeah.
activities, like you have to know it is your activities has a consequence or impact to other
Mm-mm.
another activities
Mhm.
or not, so you can know it is urgency
Oh.
or not.
Oh, so it means like it depends like these activities is not very make worse impact to the other activities
Yeah.
like that. Okay, so yeah, smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, yeah, we can see like we can learn about how we can divide it the urgent one and the important one from Ijin. Okay, thank you Ijin, and we move to Sir Majid.
What?
Uh,
What-
so my question is like, do you planning your daily activities like, oh, tomorrow I have to
Yeah.
do like this?
Yeah, formerly before I retired, yeah.
Yeah,
because now,
when you were young.
Yeah.
Just tell your story.
Because now I'm retired man, yeah.
Yeah.
More than 25 years, I'm free now. Yeah,
Yeah.
of course,
Freelance.
I have special schedule like this one,
Yeah.
or you have to do every morning like this.
Mhm.
Go to work at 7 and this one. After come back, because I take lecture in the time.
Yeah.
After, because beside working,
Mhm.
beside taking lecture in the time taking lecture, yeah. Because I have time in the afternoon take
Yeah.
lecture. I can be for this until 4
4 p.m.
Yeah, yeah. Not for 8 p.m.
Oh.
I've been because I come back from the office at 2
Uh-huh.
o'clock.
Yeah,
At home, I
2
take rest and start 4 o'clock until 8 o'clock for take lecture. Until 4 because I take
Mhm.
only academy,
Yeah.
academy for language in the time. And then after that, because I had to say that I finished there.
Mhm.
And then in my office, there is announcement from the Pennsylvania Center.
Oh.
Pondok Labu, South Jakarta.
Huh?
Yeah, special pusat bahasa. Take someone to be lecturer there to study there.
So you call.
Yeah, no, this is my commandant called me.
Uh-huh.
And there is examination next week to come here from Jakarta
Uh-huh.
to take you examination. Who is the best to be sent in Jakarta?
And you become the
to
best.
be teacher. Yeah, they said they are what we including only 2 civilian me and my friend girl, and more than 60 officers and 60 perwira
Wow.
in the time, yeah. In this 1995 in the time, yeah. And
So-
there's only one pass in examination, only me in the time.
Wow.
My score I see that yeah, 96 the best.
96.
I was
wow.
sent here in the time to Jakarta again.
Mhm.
Special Development Center, Pondok Labu, South Jakarta. Jalan Jati number 1, Cenere over there.
Yeah, yeah.
Study there, all good over there because
We don't know. We don't know,
yeah,
sir.
we don't know that because civilian, and I study for there for 6 months from morning 7:30 until 3 o'clock, mostly English.
Oh.
My instructor from Jakarta, from
6
Australia,
6 months.
from Canada, yeah, for 6 months.
So
From
6
morning-
months you take your
In course, English course,
yes.
yeah, from morning until 8 o'clock.
Wow.
Yeah.
As a teacher.
Yeah, special. How to say? We call
Mentor,
yeah,
how to say?
guru.
Oh,
Apa,
instructor,
sekolah guru,
instructor.
Yeah.
Oh.
We call DIBA ya, dasar instruktur bahasa asing.
Oh.
Ya, itu instruktur. Because ada KB khusus intensif bahasa Inggris,
Mhm.
saya dapat DIBA because the
Oh.
best my score in the time LCPT,
Okay.
American Language Placement Test, the topic
Yes.
from my instructor from Australia, Colonel. I get a score 96 in the time.
Wow.
Yeah, and then after that, actually your document is good, but it's over age for you. Sudah apa namanya? Kadaluarsa umur to be sent into Australia to study.
Yeah. Okay. Keep your statement first, sir.
Yeah.
And we move to Cristo about like, do you planning your daily activities?
For planning, actually myself, what I usually do is to point what is the event or the things that I should pay attention for tomorrow, and what kind of things that I should careful for, what I should give an attention, full of attention.
Okay, so
for
you
some event.
take your attention for the how to say, like, the more impact to yourself, your activities for the
my
tomorrow.
activity for
Mhm.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's why I usually forget for the little things.
Yeah, which is the same. Like like from the in the night, I think
Yeah.
like, what should I do for tomorrow? What my activities? So
Yeah.
yeah, but nowadays we got our technology. We can write our activities
yeah.
in our notebook in our
Yeah,
smartphone, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so yeah, we move to Alia. What is your do you planning? Do you make a to-do list or something like that?
Okay, so as a student,
Yeah, as a student, maybe you can tell us you are so busy about your study, right?
yes, as a student, I think time management is so important because, especially when I have a lot of things to do, a lot of assignments. So the first thing that I do when I had a lot of assignment or a lot of task, what should I put first? Where should
Yeah.
I prioritize? So I think that what should I prioritize is the big project first, the hard assignment first. I do the hard assignment first, and then later I will do the maybe like small assignment or something. And then I have one courses that the lecturer tell us to write down our daily activities, and I think that helps a lot to manage my time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so about your manage your time, I think like what activities that spends your time a lot? Just to do assignment or?
I think maybe scrolling social media. Yes.
Scoring social media
Yeah,
is
because-
one activity that spend a lot of
Yes,
time, right?
spend a lot of time, and also doing the assignment.
Okay, yeah.
Thank
Krista,
you.
Krista, maybe what activities that spend your time a lot? Yeah. Maybe you just the same with us, like scrolling social media, or yeah, maybe you can
Yeah, for
study.
lately maybe it's what pay my attention a lot
Mhm.
is about the assignment. at
Yeah, the
campus.
assignment. Yeah, yeah.
There's a lot lately.
Same.
What semester you are?
For
Oh, yeah. Like that time is, yeah.
right.
It's the very right time that you have to do a lot of assignment or work and from our lecture, right?
Yeah. and
Yeah,
and
that's
then
true.
you have to prepare for the on the job training.
Oh yeah, the
some
job
kind like
training.
that.
Yeah, because you are from Poltekpar, right?
Right.
Yeah, the job training. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, like
Yeah. So you take internship.
yes.
Where do you take your internship?
uh for my internship I take in with the RT.
Oh, 50. For
It's place at
a month or
Jakarta.
3 month?
For Poltekpar the internship it's for 6 months.
Oh, for 6 months.
Yeah.
Like one semester?
Yeah.
Whoa.
For one semester.
For one semester, you take your internship.
Yeah.
Oh, that's. I think you feel like so busy in
Ah.
one semester, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, we move to Sir Majid. Yeah. What activities that spend your time a lot?
Yeah, because now I am a retired man. Yeah.
Yeah. Nowadays, you can
Yeah.
tell us your experience.
This free for me now. I don't have any more job because
Mhm.
I have been retired.
Yeah.
Just only if I get how to say English from door to door.
Mm-hmm.
So I visit his house.
Oh, private.
Yeah, like private English. Yeah,
Oh,
from
yeah.
door to door, and mostly offshore perwira from Ampur sedang ketemu senjata.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the time I got it, like one of the student in Duda Brana for star, and mostly officer perwira semua saja dulu, because I have been teaching them more than 200%.
Wow.
Mostly are officers, perwira semua from second lieutenant until lieutenant
Let's go.
the time, because there's special English school there in Kodam. Ada bahasa Inggris.
But when you were young, what makes you
Priority.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, studying in the time. Yeah.
Yeah.
But because in the time, so how to do that? Because I'm including orphan boy in the time. Yeah, this is beside I study, beside working.
Oh
I
yeah. Yeah,
study.
yeah. That's
in
good.
the
That's good
yeah, I study
actually.
in the afternoon, in the morning. At least in the morning, I study in there.
So when do you spend your time to read the magazine like Hello magazine?
Yeah, because I was subscribed at the time.
Mhm.
This year I read sometime after from taking lecture.
Oh yeah.
Until now I still have, even the oldest one is still
Uh-huh.
reading. Until 20 times, yeah, I sometimes read it
Uh-huh.
because I can get a lot of new vocabulary inside.
Wow. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep your statement first, sir, and we move to Ijin. What activities that spend your time? Maybe like Alia said, they scroll social media. Maybe you just the same, or you have another opinion.
When I was in college, I spent a lot of time do my thesis.
Yeah, yeah. Me too.
Because they put in one thesis.
Thesis and
Which one? Thesis or dissertation?
thesis.
Yeah.
Dissertation?
Dissertation is just
Dissert-
maybe like the different type of the thesis.
After thesis, dissertation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for nowadays, I take a lot of time for learning English, because for me, learning English is a skill. It's not just for one day you can learn
Yeah.
all
Yeah,
all
Take long
about
time,
it.
yeah?
Yeah, we agree a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Mhm.
I really want to continue my study
Wow.
in
English
in another country.
Oh, another country.
So-
Wow.
Yeah.
Wait.
So for nowadays, beside I waiting for my announcement for my job,
Mhm.
I also learning about English in Macha.
In meta. Okay. Yeah. So.
If you want to
Uh-huh.
study in abroad, look for special scholarship.
Yeah. That's
That's
why
true.
I learning English, and I want to take IELTS.
Oh, yeah.
Because
IELTS.
this is one thing.
Test IELTS.
Yeah.
The examination, right, sir?
TOEFL, yeah. TOEFL
Mhm.
2.
No, TOEFL.
LCPT, many kinds. If
Mm,
you want
yeah.
to get a scholarship.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And yeah, you spend your time nowadays to learn English. And what else? Maybe maybe you take your activities like how to say.
I always took exercise.
Yeah,
in the
exercise. Yeah, me too. Like
What
jogging,
What kind of
jogging and
exercises?
cycling.
Oh, jogging.
Jogging.
Or
Not
Like
just jogging in
Sport.
I do in my house,
uh-huh.
like from YouTube.
Yeah, workout from house. Workout from house, from
there's
home.
jogging too while you are cooking. Yeah.
How you do that, sir?
Yeah.
Jogging in the kitchen.
Yeah. Sometimes you take the water from the tray, the
Yeah.
run,
Uh-huh.
wait it, and jogging little.
Oh yeah.
Apa
That's
di kolam
true.
itu.
That's true. Yeah, for me like I do cycling. For me like exercise. I do cycling, bicycle in the morning and also in the afternoon before we take a pray. I do the exercise. Yeah, that's a lot of things to do when we can manage our time, right? So my next question is like, what the difficulties when you maybe try to manage your time? Maybe you have the difficulties. Maybe there is some obstacle when you manage your time, right? Okay, we start from Alia. what is your difficulties when you trying to manage your time to become productive or something?
So there are so many obstacles that we faced. The first is we can't like manage our time because there's a lot of things to do. So it's overwhelmed, right?
Yeah.
And like we do not know how to prioritize what should I do first, because there's a lot.
And there is a lot of important things that we have to do, right?
Yes. And then we always like procrastinated.
And
And yeah, it was, I think, the main obstacle that I faced. And the third is when there is an unavoidable event. So I think when we faced the unavoidable event, I think let's just get it.
What kind like that even that you can?
So like probably when like in the morning, suddenly like the lecture, like the want to go in class like maybe 7 o'clock, and we do not like prepare yet.
We don't prepare before.
Yeah, and it was hard to manage our time because of that.
Like how to say tiba-tiba. Suddenly our lecture tell us in our WhatsApp to come to the class.
Makes me overwhelmed, and
that's one obstacle. That's very big obstacle to us that's we try to manage our time, right? Okay, over to Crystal. What like the difficulties when you're trying to become a better?
Okay, I'll make it fast for the difficulties. It's when we're talking about managing our time, it is outside from unpredictable conditions. The main obstacle that we will face is our own self, for sure. That's why it's always
we have to
talking
control.
about control yourself, and it's always being you versus yourself.
That's true. We have to become a more how to say understand ourselves,
because sometimes we want to do a productive way of life, but ourselves just went the other way.
That's true. We like become lazy. We take another activity. Okay, thank you, Krista. And Sir Majid, what is your opinion? What is your difficulties when you trying to manage your time?
Sometimes difficult to say this is we feel lazy. Yes, only difficulty. Sometimes the time is like that, but still without taking a bath, and this is urgent my problem. This I'm lazy like this. So this is my problem. Difficulty to management the time.
Okay, Ijin, what is your difficulties and how you solve maybe? How you solve the
I
problem?
believe everyone has their own strategy to manage their time, and for me, the obstacle of manage my time especially when I was in college is I'm truly hard to decide what it's the important things or urgency thing, because a lot of activities looks like important, looks like important.
Like our all our activities is important, right? Like how we can prioritize where is the urgent one, right? Okay, thank you, Ijin. And maybe time is up, and also I want to share to all of you guys, to smart viewers and also smart listeners, one vocabulary that we learned from today: overwhelm, right? Overwhelm is kelelahan, right? Kelelahan. Okay, so stay healthy, guys. Our smart viewers and also smart listeners at home. Hopefully, we can take a summary from our discussion for this evening. We have to manage our time to become a successful person for the future, right? Okay, so thank you for coming, guys. Ijin and Sermajit, Kristo, and also Alia. Okay, so that's all our discussion for today, guys. And yeah, for all smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, don't forget to stay tuned every Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. in Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. See you next time and goodbye.